Hello from the Daily Dad. Today I'm shopping at one of my local supermarkets called Harris Teeter, and here we are in the meat section. Oh, and what's this? Oh yeah, this is a pound of shaved ribeye and it's on sale. So today on the Daily Dad, let's make some simple Dimple cheesesteaks. Cue that music, here we go. Cheesesteaks are my favorite. Easy to make and tasty. And we're just going to need about 7 ingredients. We have the soft Italian rolls. We have the shaved ribeye. We've got some sharp cheddar for a little yummy pop. For seasoning and taste, we have some seasoning salt. We also have Worcester sauce. It took me 4 years to pronounce that correctly. Worcestershire. Worcester. And then we have the barbecue sauce. By the way, I'm not necessarily recommending one barbecue sauce over another, but I like this one because of how easily it dispenses the sauce. Okay, so let's go ahead and get things started by heating up a shallow nonstick pan and adding some butter and also some cooking spray. We'll then add the slices of ribeye and continue to brown the meat. Now at this point, I'm going to say that you can flavor your meat however you might like it. I like to use seasoning salt. A lot of people do use Worcester sauce, which I am not going to use because my kids don't really like it. You might want to add some pepper or other herbs or spices, totally up to you. But at this point, continue to season as well as to brown the meat until we get to the next step. Okay, and moving on to our next step, we are going to use these soft rolls. I like soft rolls. I prefer them to hard rolls. But in any case, we're going to slip them into the microwave. We're just going to turn it on full power for a couple of seconds. And this way, we're just going to warm up the rolls just a tad. All right, and now we're going to start to assemble the sandwich. This is the good part, yum, yum. All right, so let's go ahead and get the barbecue sauce. Again, I like the dispenser, easier to apply the barbecue sauce. So we'll go ahead and do that. And then once we get this done, we're going to add the shredded sharp cheddar cheese. I like sharp cheddar. It just gives it sort of a flavorful pop. So we're going to go ahead and get some of that onto the toast, onto the bread, onto the roll. Yummy, yummy. All right, and once that's done, we're going to start putting some of the steak onto the roll so we can get the final product in place and into our tummies. Now I think 3 ounces per sandwich is a good amount. Oh man, doesn't that look good? All right, so there you have it. The Daily Dad cheesesteak. Oh, so good, so good. Your kids will love them, and so will you. Well, this is the Daily Dad reminding you to try new things and to be happy.